In this Go High Level walkthrough, I'm going to show you how Go High Level actually works inside a real account, because most confusion around this platform doesn't come from it being complicated. It comes from people never seeing how it actually works as a system. So what you're going to hear from me is a walkthrough on how to think about Go High Level when I log in, what I look at first, and why this tool either clicks for people or doesn't. If we haven't met yet, my name is Stacia Loo, and I've been building systems and automations for years, not just for myself, but for real businesses that need follow-up, organization, and visibility to actually work. I don't use Go High Level because it's trendy. I use it because it replaces chaos and clarity. And now start at the top. When you open up Go High Level, the first thing most people do wrong is they start clicking around random buttons. That's like walking into a warehouse, touching everything without knowing what the warehouse is for. So instead, I want you to think of Go High Level as a control room. Everything that matters in your business flows through a few key places. And if you understand those places, the rest stops feeling overwhelming. The first place I care about is conversations. This is the inbox. This is where text messages, emails, missed calls, and replies live. This is the most important because most businesses don't actually have a lead problem. They have a response problem. Leads come in, messages get missed, follow-ups doesn't even happen. And then people say Facebook ads don't work or leads are so bad. But when you can actually see all the conversations in one place, excuses disappear. You can actually see who replied and see who didn't, and you can see what messages went out and when. This is where money either gets made or lost. Next, I want you to think about pipelines. Pipelines are visual lanes that show where people are in the process. Here's a new leads. They were contacted. They booked a call. They showed, no showed, closed. Nothing fancy, but here's why this matters. If you don't know where people are getting stuck, you can't fix it. Most businesses don't have a sales problem. They have a visibility problem. Pipelines give you that visibility. Now let's talk about automations, but in a very simple way. Automations are not scary. They're just, if this, then that. If someone fills out a form, then send a text. If they don't reply, then send a reminder. If they book a call, send a confirmation and confirm it. That's it. Go High Level doesn't automate your brain. It automates repetition. So anything you do over and over again is a candidate for automation. Now, here's where people mess this up. They try to automate everything in one day, and they try to get me to do that in like one magic wand. That's like trying to build a spaceship before you even know how to ride a bike. The goal here is not to build everything. The goal is to build one thing that works. One clean follow-up system, one clean booking flow, one clean process. That's what creates momentum. Now let's talk about calendars and forms. Are how people raise their hand. Calendars are how people commit to time. The mistake most people make is that they treat these like separate tools. But in Go High Level, they're all connected. When someone fills out a form, they should trigger something. A text, an email, a task, a reminder. Nothing should disappear into the void. If you've ever wondered, did anyone follow up with that one lead? This is where Go High Level fixes that. Now, let me say something important. I'm not showing you this to make you memorize buttons. I'm showing you this so that you understand the logic. Leads come in, systems respond, and you see everything. That's the whole game. High Level is powerful because everything talks to everything. Forms talk to workflows. Workflows talk to conversations. Conversations connect to pipelines. When people say Go High Level is complicated, what they really mean is they've never seen the full picture. Once you see the picture, it actually gets simpler. Now, let me be honest with you. This tool does have a learning curve, but it's not a tech curve. It's a thinking curve. You're moving from, I hope this happens, to, I know this happens. That shift can feel uncomfortable at first, but it's also where business owners level up. So here's what I recommend. If you're watching this and thinking, okay, this actually makes sense, don't just keep watching videos forever. The best way to decide is to test it out. Start your free trial by clicking the link in the description with my link, and then you can get started. Click around, look at conversations, look at pipelines, see how the pieces connect. I have an entire training that shows you exactly what to do and in what order. You start your trial. Don't try to figure it out alone. I put together the full walkthrough that walks you through step by step on how to get started without overwhelm, what to touch first, what to ignore, how to build your first working system. That training is included when you grab the trial only through my link, and you get a 30-day trial as well. Most people don't get that. So if you want to get started today, grab your trial and the full training below. That's the fastest way to go from confused to clear. And in the next video, I'll answer some questions everyone eventually asks. Is Go High Level actually worth it? I'll give you my honest take after years and years of marketing and using tons of other tools that I had to duct tape together myself. After using this, what I like and what I don't like, who this makes sense for the long term. Again, grab that free trial, and that free training will instantly open up, and I'll see you on the next one. Much love and aloha.